This is Sergeant Michael Buchanan's first shot with the Kimber 30-06 bolt-action rifle.
It's like a mule.
Don't forget to charge it. It's supposed to be a mule. It's an 06, homie.
He's a wank. Who's something away?
That is shot 3. So far, there have been no problems. You feel it in your shoulder after, I'm telling you.
Oh yeah, you feel it. Here. That's it.
5 shots.
Alright.
Some damn good shooting. Woo!
That sucker's hot now.
It is. Let it go ahead and lay it down on one of them rocks. Let it cool for a minute.
That's fun.
Look at all these cool guns we have.
Did you stop it?
No, I don't know how.
Oh, here.
Woo! Woo! Woo!
Okay, stop.